Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we do home decor videos, a little bit of lifestyle, and a lot of shop with me. So if that is your kind of thing, I would love it if you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any future videos. Also follow me over on Instagram. My name over there is myjessicaj, or you can click the link down below. So I have a very exciting video for you guys. We're actually gonna do a shop with me at the South Coast Plaza Mall. You guys know that mall has CB2, Crate & Barrel, West Elm, Pottery Barn, Restoration Hardware. I mean, they have everything. But I'm actually gonna be meeting my girls, Brenda and Hannah there, and we're gonna shop together, which I'm really excited about. Also, I know most of you guys already follow Brenda and Hannah, but if you don't follow them, be sure to follow their channels. They also do home decor content. And since I know most of you guys follow them, we decided to host a giveaway together. So it's a very simple giveaway, but watch to the very end so you guys don't miss out on any details. So we're gonna be checking out some of their fall decor and new pieces that they got in. It might be a little crazy with all of us shopping together, but it's gonna be fun. So if you guys wanna shop with us, then okay guys, we made it to South Coast Plaza and I have my girls Hannah and Brenda. So we're gonna go shopping at CB2, Crate & Barrel, Pottery Barn.
All the good stores.
All the good stores.
Let's go see.
Yes, let's go shopping. Okay, this is so fall right here. It's super soft. Love that. We still have some fall decor left. These little pumpkins. Okay, this side table is beautiful. I think that's new. If you guys need ideas for gift giving, everyone loves a cozy throw. So cute. Brenda. Brenda got this from Target.
You guys, the exact same one.
Yeah,
what's the difference? I think the Target one is just a little bit. No, it's almost identical.
Yeah, it is.
This one too. Did you see this one right here? They have.
Oh yeah.
At Target. That's crazy.
I know.
And I bet you the price point.
Target's coming up.
No, seriously. Oh, that's pretty.
I know, I love that too.
I like that.
Yeah. Oh, it's a flickering LED candle. I know. Oh, look. There's the heart one. So cute. I know. I'm not either. Okay, I love these book stands. Just leave your book open like that.
Me, even when you're not.
These are so pretty.
Huh.
I actually like using these for the winter. I actually need some hurricanes, but I don't know if I want them on the pedestal like that. But these are on sale. Yeah, these are new. We have it in black and it's pretty. We have a bowl too. I love coming here for their glassware and all their entertaining pieces. Prices aren't too bad either. Ice cream dish.
Oh
I don't need any more, but that is so cute, right?
That is cute. Some pumpkin. Yeah.
Ooh, he said bougie. I feel like I need to go back to Crate and Barrel because they had some entertainment pieces that I actually need. But right now we're gonna go to CB2 to see what they have. Oh, we're right here. Look at that. Hannah, are you ready? It's your first time.
I'm really excited about this, you guys.
Ooh. Okay, I'm loving the vibe already. They always switch this store up. Every time I come in here, it's like an entirely different store. Hi. These are huge. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, you know what, last year?
Ooh, this is heavy too.
Yeah, they're back, but there used to be like, oh really? Oh.
I know. On a bookshelf or something, on display, yeah. Travertine tray, so nice. Look at that. That's interesting. Reminds me more of Christmas. So Hannah, what do you think so far?
I like it.
Yeah?
I really like that print for my house.
Oh yeah.
They have vessels here too.
Yeah, they have a lot. Usually, they moved it. It used to be a wall of all their stuff right here, yeah. Like the little knickknacks and stuff. Oh, I like this color. Oh, they have some sales going on too. Okay, so here's the table runner I was considering, but it kind of reminds me more of Christmas. I love it though. My house is so white. I'm trying to add patterns and everything to just kind of bring some more life into my home. I always look at this light fixture every time I come in here. The only thing I don't like is that black cord. Because it's super noticeable, you know? They have great entertainment pieces. This is so cute. They have cocktail napkins too. Okay, that's beautiful. Look at that. Heavy. That's beautiful. Here's another table runner. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, Christmas here too. Travertine, I think that's travertine or is it onyx? Oh, it's an onyx. The pole bear is onyx, the sled is travertine. Beautiful. Honestly, this might be a fun little DIY project. Gift-giving ideas, if you know a tea lover. Okay, that's new. With the Sherpa. So they don't have a lot of fall pieces, but you can just add things like texture, warmer colors to kind of bring in that fall feeling. Actually like that. Oh, it's like really stiff, huh?
Yeah.
Do you know if it lays flat once you...
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does. It's pretty pretty.
Ironed it out, or if it just like over time it's like it relaxed with like some things weighing it down
Yeah.
for like a day or two.
Okay. I was thinking about table runners for like Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Oh yeah, you can even transition this to winter.
I love this one, but I don't know how I feel about it's really stiff.
Well, I was gonna say, are you gonna be able to get it to lay flat?
She said it will, yeah, but you're right, it is super stiff. Sectional. Oh, this is in the linen fabric. Okay, this one looks identical to the one I got from CB2. Oh my gosh. It's super soft too. Gosh, is it the same one? Oh, here it is. And of course Christmas in October, because why not? That's pretty. The video. I hope you guys enjoyed the shop with me. I had fun. What about you guys?
I had so much fun. They have so many good stuff.
Yeah, we got a couple of things too. So to the giveaway. We're giving away a $150 gift card to any store of your choice. So all you have to do is
comment, and subscribe to each one of our channels.
You guys, comment down below what your favorite tradition is during this time of the year. What do you guys look forward to the most?
Yes,
We want to know.
yes, we do. All right, good luck to the giveaway winner, and we will announce the winner October 22nd. We'll announce it then. See you guys.
Don't miss it.
Bye.